All right, lists are a great way to divide up your information. So I mean, let's just get into it. It's pretty simple. You have two different type of lists. You have ordered lists, which are with numbers, and you have unordered lists, which are with those bullet points. And you can nest them, and it'll switch. I'm pretty sure the number will switch between, um, the ordered list will switch between numbers and then letters, numbers, letters, numbers, letters, or maybe it'll do number, letter, um, Roman numeral, number, letter, Roman numeral, and this one will do a solid dot, hollow dot, and then square, solid, hollow, square. I'm pretty sure is what it'll do. But whatever. So you've got those things. So yeah, now I'm hungry. Thank you so much. That's rude. All right. Under the heading that says species, let's create an unordered list. All right. So species. So unordered list. Okay. Do not add any items to it. Now we're going to add those items to it. So you're going to have a LI, which stands for list item, not LIK. And you have, I'm just going to copy this. 1, 2, 3. All right. Arctos. Make sure I spell it correctly. Like, you know what? I can just copy and paste. That's easier. Always work harder. Sorry, easier, not harder. All right. Yep, notice how it did that. So, and you can make a list element with nested ones. Another UL. Notice how I have it inside of a list element. And then so if I do li test run, it's going to be hollow. Oh, you don't do that? Huh. I am wrong. You do not do that. Wow. I am certainly qualified to do this. All right. Ordered list is the same thing, but with numbers. So, under the heading that says countries with large brown bears. Countries with large brown bear populations. OL. Run. And then it wants us to add this. I think it's funny how these are an unordered list, and it's wanting me to add these to an ordered list. That's funny. And so with an ordered list, you do the same thing, li. So notice how it's ol, this is ul, so unordered list and ordered list. They both take li. So I'm just going to copy this, 1, 2, 3, Russia, United States, and Canada. Yes, that is definitely how you pronounce Canada. All right. I have to entertain myself somehow. So notice how I did that. And I'm curious what happens when I just put an ordered list inside of an ordered list. Whoops. Okay, just does that. Great, cool. All right, so images. Images. This is one thing that I really dislike about HTML is it's not consistent with itself. We'll deal with this later, but like source versus like href versus like there are certain things that are clearly like paths, and they don't align with each other, and they should, but you can't change that. So an image tag, notice how you have, remember what I was talking about with the first video, you have the close as a part of the main tag. You don't have to do that. There's another way to do it. But basically, this is how you do images. So it wants us to add an image under that HTML. Sorry for the yawn. Okay, so it wants to add an image. And you can do this. Or I guess not. I am wrong. I mixed that up with video, I think. No, you can do that. You do it with things, and if the browser can't display it, you display something else. That's kind of the idea. No, that's another. Yeah, this is something that is also inconsistent. So we'll deal with that later. Basically, if you add some HTML, or if you add an image, it'll be an attribute that'll display if the source cannot be displayed. Both videos and audio sources, it's actually, you have to do a closing tag to do it. It's really stupid. So anyway, src equals, and similar to the ID that we had before, we copy and that goes in there. Okay, and notice how this is all like that. And so this is a URL pointing to an image, and so we can actually open this image. Whoops. We can actually open this image over here, and we'll see this image. So this is hosted on a server, on Codecademy's content server. So if I run this, we'll see that image. Did you set the image's source? Yes, I did. What are you talking about? It's right there. How is that not working? Oh, because there was a space there. Yeah, freaking HTML. Me. All right, image alts. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. So basically you add an alt description and make sure and include a description. Alt equals bare. So basically an alt, if an image fails to load on a web page, and you can mouse over the originally intended thing and will display whatever this is. Okay. And this is why I dislike this aspect of HTML, is because it's inconsistent. Audio and video do a closing tag. I'm pretty sure it's a video does a closing tag. Some of them do a closing tag, some of them don't. And it's annoying. It's just really annoying. And so, yeah. It also helps play a role in search engine optimization. So SEO is basically it's basically when you Google something. So if I Google bears, notice how the top things are like the sports team Bears. I do not know who any of these people are. I don't give a crap. And more Chicago Bears. And none of it is like actually bears. Oh, now our first thing is Wikipedia that is actually bear. So this is the result of search engine optimization, or SEO, basically allowing you to tell the browser or tell the search engine, for example, Google, Yahoo, Bing, which everyone just uses Bing, right? Basically, hey, this is what this image is, or this is what this content is, and so it can optimize. It's kind of cool. But anyway, how long is this video? I don't know how long I'm at yet. We're still in media. All right, so videos. Yeah, so notice how video is not supported. It's a closing tag. This is why I really dislike that. Why don't they do the same thing with images? I don't know. What do I know? I'm just a musician from Boise State University. Anyway, under the image, create a video tag and add the following URL. It's basically the same thing. So under the image, right? So basically, video, okay. And this also takes in src. So let's copy that. Great. And then here, it's the same thing. Video is not sub. Oh my god, this lag is killing me. Run. All right, did that work? Yay. Define the width as 240, 320, and 240. So width equals 320, height equals 240. Run. Oh, controls. Whoops. Yeah. So that's the thing about attributes. They don't have to have an assignment. So you're assigning this to be the source. Technically, it doesn't have to have one in order, or some of them don't have to have them, like draggable or controls, or God, there are so many. Content editable, I'm pretty sure doesn't need one. And so controls is just one of those that doesn't need it. In between video, add phrase and video not supported. I've already done that. What? Oh, did I say video is not supported? Okay, yeah, this is why I don't like it. Use regex, come on, or fuzzy searches. All right, so now I've got a video. Yay. And you can full screen because of the controls. Great. All right, so to review, it's pretty simple stuff. We've got HTML. Great. Cool. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Or just ask me because this is meant for Team Tate. Whatever. Doesn't matter. See you in the next videos.